Hi, this is P R Sundar. Many times in my tweet and blog, I mentioned that FIIs are having 40% long position, 60% short position kind of things. And many people ask me, from where do I get the data? I just reply them very simple. Why do you want to reinvent the wheel? You just watch the CNBC channel in the morning and they come there and they tell you what is the percentage of long position or short position they have. So that's a very simple way of learning things. But however, for the people who are so enthusiastic to know where to get this data ourselves, I'm going to show you from where you can get this data. You go to nscindia.com and you go to products and equity derivatives. Here you can see what is the number of contracts traded, what is the total turnover, and all kinds of data. There you click current market report and view all daily report. So this is the daily report for Wednesday's trading, and this is the report for today's trading. Here you can see the span files. Okay, you can see the haircut for approved securities, haircut for mutual funds, security in ban period, BOW copy, NSE open interest, combined open interest, and BOW copy, client's position greater than or equal to 3% of the stock market-wide position limit, participant-wise trading volume. Okay, so what we want, participant-wise open interest, because we are interested to knowing FII's open position. So you click this and a file will be downloading, and open that file, and I'll make it bigger for you to see clearly. And here you can see client DII FII Pro. Pro means proprietary account. The brokers, their own account. Client means people like you and me. And DII are domestic institutional investors. Okay. But since we are interested only in FII, so we just take only that data. And you can see future index long position, they have 63,000. Index future short position, they have 80,000. So from here, you have to calculate the percentage yourself. Here, if you want to know the long position, they have so much, divided by the total position. The total position can be obtained by adding these two. So it is 44%, which means as of yesterday, FII's index futures long position, they have 44%. So if their long position is 44%, which means automatically the short position is 56%. So this is where the channels take the data and they announce it in channels. And this is only the index data. You want to look at the stocks. This is stock long position. This is stock short position. So again the same formula. Long position divided by the total position. The total position can be obtained by adding these two positions. So which means nearly 70% FIIs are long in stock futures, 30% they are short in stock futures. And the same way, you want to know call options data, in put option data separately for indices, separately for stocks, and all the data are there. You can calculate it yourself. And generally, Just for fun, I used to tell there are two big rowdies, number one, number two in a city, and when there is a third rowdy. When this third rowdy join hands with first rowdy or second rowdy, then the combination of two people will be more powerful than the other one. Let us say you are a number 3 rowdy, you join with the number 1 rowdy, then 1 plus 3 becomes much stronger than number 2. Similarly, in stock market, FIIs are big people, DIIs are also big people. What happens most of the time, retail people join with FIIs, then this FII and retail put together, they become more powerful. So that is why most of the time retail people are interested in knowing what FIIs are doing in futures and options market. And accordingly, they take their decision. So when the index was trading around 12,000, the FII short position was almost 85%. But now FII short position is only about 56%. That too, it is only on indices. If you look at the stocks, the short position is only 30%. So if you combine both indices and stocks, the FIIs are actually not in heavy short position. And that is why I mentioned few days before also, the markets are not likely to fall significantly from here. And you must have seen in my other videos also, cash secured put video, I sold a lot of put options. That's because I strongly believe that the market's downside is not much from here. And I'm expecting the Nifty to take support at 8,000 until the end of April. So hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.